Imagine unlocking the untapped potential of your mind to revolutionize your entire being. Today, we're diving into a life-changing journey: meditation. The ultimate biohack. That's not just about quiet moments, but about harnessing the incredible power of your mind to rejuvenate your body and spirit. Let's embark on this adventure together. In our busy modern lives, stress and anxiety have become all too common. We're overwhelmed, overworked, and overconnected. This constant state of chaos takes a real toll on our mental and physical health. But what if I told you there was a simple practice that could help you find inner peace and balance? That's right, meditation. Over the course of this video, I'll explain what meditation is, how it works, and the incredible benefits it offers for both body and mind. We'll explore some of the science and research backing up these claims, and I'll share tips on how you can start a meditation practice in your own life. So if you're looking for a way to tap into your mind's hidden potential and transform your life for the better, stick around. The power of meditation awaits. First, let's talk about just how powerful our minds really are. The human brain is the most complex object in the known universe and the gateway to our inner world. There are amazing historical examples of people overcoming huge obstacles through sheer mental determination, from Roger Bannister running a 4-minute mile to the incredible survival story of Aron Ralston. Modern science is also shedding light on the brain's incredible capabilities. Concepts like neuroplasticity show how our brains continue to change and adapt. We're only just scratching the surface of the subconscious mind and its influence over our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It's clear that fully harnessing the power of the mind could lead to extraordinary results. That's why practices like meditation are so valuable. They help us get in touch with our inner world. In our fast-paced modern lives, we often end up disconnecting from our minds and bodies. We are so caught up in the external stimulation that we lose touch with our internal state. This leads to a lack of balance and harmony. Reconnecting body and mind restores a sense of equilibrium. Regular meditation promotes mental peace and clarity. It allows our intuition and our gut feelings to come through. Over time, this can lead to wiser decision-making. On a physical level, reuniting body and mind helps alleviate stress-related illnesses. Many studies confirm that relaxation practices like meditation can boost immunity too. Basically, when we're centered mentally, the body follows. So what exactly is meditation? It's the practice of focusing the mind and achieving a state of relaxed awareness. By eliminating distracting thoughts, we can get into a mental space of inner stillness. Techniques like breath awareness, visualization, and mantra repetition help concentrate the mind during meditation. The ultimate goal is to reach a tranquil state, free from the usual chatter of the thinking mind. Mindfulness is a form of meditation that involves being fully present and engaged in the moment. Instead of dwelling on the past or future, we practice non-judgmental awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Now that we know what meditation is, let's explore some of the ways it can powerfully transform lives. Here are 3 key benefits. Number 1, mental clarity. Regular meditation clears away mental clutter. It helps organize thoughts and access deeper wisdom. Over time, decision-making, focus, and creativity improve. 2, emotional stability. By learning our emotions from a detached place, meditation leads to self-awareness and regulation. This provides a buffer against anxiety, depression, and emotional reactivity. 3, stress reduction. On a biological level, meditation triggers the relaxation response. This counters the fight-or-flight state induced by stress. Meditators have lowered cortisol, healthier heart rates, and fewer stress-linked diseases. There are many forms of meditation and mindfulness practices. Here are a few effective techniques to try. Breath awareness meditation involves focusing on the breath and nothing else. This calms and centers the mind. Progressive relaxation guides you through tensing and relaxing each muscle group. This releases physical tension. Loving kindness meditation cultivates unconditional kindness towards oneself and others. It provides an antidote to negativity. Body scan meditation tunes into sensations throughout the body. This builds body awareness. Guided visualization uses imagined scenes to evoke certain mental, emotional states. It taps into the mind's visual power. Mindful walking keeps attention grounded in the act of walking itself. This immerses us in the present. If you want to start meditating, here are some tips. Set up a quiet, serene space with minimal distractions to practice in. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes daily and work up from there. Try out different techniques to find one that resonates with you. Be patient and consistent. The benefits compound over time. There are many great apps, books, and courses out there to support you too. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find an approach that sticks. Need some inspiration? Here are examples of people who unlocked the power of meditation. Their first-hand accounts prove how a regular practice can rewire the brain, improve health, and change your life for the better. Let's talk about some common myths about meditation. I don't have time to meditate. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Meditation requires religious belief. Meditation is compatible with any belief system. It's simply a mental practice. I can't clear my mind completely. It's normal for thoughts to arise during meditation. The key is not engaging with them. I hope this video has shown you the incredible power we all hold within our minds and how practices like meditation help unlock our full potential. By training our minds, we can gain control over our state of being and transform our lives. The journey begins with a single step. Commit to a regular meditation practice and observe the benefits unfolding. You'll achieve inner peace, better health, and discover parts of yourself like never before. The power is within you. Start your meditation practice today.